In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Analytics to see your Mailchimp campaigns. Now, the first step is to use or to add Google Analytics within Mailchimp. In order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. At the bottom, click on the last option, which is Integrations. And on the Integrations section, head over to the top, click on the search bar. From here, search for Google Analytics. Once you do that, you will automatically see Google Analytics. Simply click on it. From here, you want to head over to the left-hand side and click on Connect. That will open a new tab. From here, you just want to simply scroll down until you find Google. From here, you will need a Google account or Google Analytics. So at the bottom, click on Connect. That will open your account. From there, just simply choose your Google account. From here, head over to the bottom in the right corner, click on Continue, and you want to select all. At the bottom in the right corner, click on Continue again. And once that's done, as you can see, it will automatically say that the Google integration was successfully set up. At the bottom, you want to test the connection. And as you can see, it will now have access to your analytics data, your contacts, as well as your documents. Once you do that, whenever you go through Google Analytics or whenever you do a campaign, it will automatically be added within Google Analytics and you can track it from there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.